5 reasons why I love the Infinix S4 and why I think you should get it. Hello guys, it's Samuel here. Welcome to my channel. This is actually my first video on YouTube. My goal in this channel is to provide you with relevant tech tips on gadgets and applications. Yeah, gadgets. So I would appreciate if you hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up before we start to help me out in the YouTube algorithm. So today I'm going to share with you my experience using the Infinix S4. This one. I've been using the Infinix S4 for about 2 months now, and it has been an amazing experience. The Infinix S4 will launch April 2019 this year. I was supposed to get the 7 Pro, but getting to the shop, I saw that the Infinix S4 was sold for just 48,500 naira. 5 reasons why I love the Infinix S4 and why I think you should get it. Number 1, the design. The Infinix S4 comes with a very beautiful body design and a 6.2-inch HD waterdrop display, which makes the screen look so awesome. I know you must be thinking, what is this guy doing? He's making his experience using the Infinix S4. Like, not showing the actual phone in the video. Guess what? Because that's what I'm actually using for filming this video. The Infinix S4 comes with a 32 megapixel AI selfie camera and then triple rear camera. I took a lot of nice shots with the selfie camera. These are the selfie video looks. And the rear camera is what I'm actually using for filming this video. So the third reason is the sensor. The Infinix S4 comes with 7 sensors. One of them, which is responsible of making the phone automatically coming up when you raise it and goes off when you put it down. Cool, right? It relieves you of the stress of pressing the power button. Number 4, the sound. These are the Infinix S4 sounds, which I love. It sounds loud and it sounds great. Number 5, the battery. The Infinix S4 comes with 4000 mAh battery and fast charging, which I love. I used to play games and it really lasts. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you have not already subscribed, because I'm going to release video like this every week. So thanks for watching again. Peace.